Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a very copper, orange, gold look, so hope you enjoy. I am starting off with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to put that all around my face. Obviously I prime my face with the Nivea Shave Balm, I think it's called. And then I go ahead and put it all over my face. Make sure your foundation is very blended. Excuse the blurriness, I got a new lens and I don't know how to work it, so just bear with me. Now I am using my LA Pro concealer. It's like a yellowish tone. Also, excuse my lips, they look kind of bluish. It's because I was eating a ice cream pop before I started the video. Also, make sure your concealer is very blended. Now I am baking with my Airspun powder under my eyes, and I'm going to leave the powder there just so when I do my eyeshadows, if there's any fallout, I can just go ahead and dust it off. Now I am doing my eyebrows. I got this new eyebrow pencil in my BoxyCharm and I love it. It's from It Cosmetics. And basically what I do is I just go under my eyebrows and then I make a straight line. Always make sure you brush your eyebrows just so you can distribute the product evenly. So you can see I have really full eyebrows, so I'm just trying to make them a little even. And excuse my eyebrows, they need to be done. I have to wax my eyebrows every week, so just excuse that. After you are done with the pencil, then basically what I'm doing is I am using a flat brush with a brown eyeshadow and I'm just shading in the sparse areas in my eyebrows. And then don't worry if you mess up a little bit, we're just going to use concealer. And then as you can see, one of my eyebrows looks a little different because once again I need to get them done. So I'm trying to work with the shape and trying to make them as even as possible. Now I am using my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer from It Cosmetics. I love it. I always use it under my eyebrows. I would not use it under my eyes, it's too thick and I feel like my face looks cakey when I use it, but I found a better way to use it and it's under my eyebrows. So basically what I do is I use a really small brush and I underline my eyebrows. I try to make them as perfect as possible and then try to blend in the concealer. Also, if my eyebrows were done, I would use foundation on the top of my eyebrows instead of the concealer. But because my eyebrows need Jesus, I'm going to use concealer and I'm going to try to work the shape in so they can look as even as possible. Now I am blending in my concealer. I'm using my pure sponge. I also got it in my BoxyCharm. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the monthly subscription, then I totally recommend it because they send good stuff. Honestly, this sponge is a little hard. I prefer my Morphe sponge or my beauty blender, but we have to use it, right? Next, I am going to be using my palette that I received in my BoxyCharm. It's a pure palette, and I am using the lightest shade to highlight my brow bone. Now I am using a Morphe brush. You can use any fluffy brush, and I'm using the color Socialite in my crease just so I can start building up the colors and I can start blending them out. Me personally, everything that I do to one eye, I always do to the other. I just like to see how it's transitioning, and that way I don't forget what colors I used. Now I am using a different brush. It's also a Morphe, but it's a little bit less fluffy, and I am using the color Cola, I believe. Cola, and I'm just starting in my outer V and then blending my way towards the inner corner. Now I am using the color Stunner. It's a darker, like brick reddish burnt brown, and I'm also doing the same thing. I'm starting from the outer corner, blending it in towards the inner corner, and then just keep blending, blending, blending. Now I am using the color Twinkie. It's like a gold coppery color, and I am putting it all over my lid. Once again, I am using the lightest color in the palette and then just making sure that my eyebrow bone is highlighted. I always curl my eyelashes right before I do my eyeliner. I just feel like it guides me more. And now I am using an eyeliner from Mexico. I love the eyeliner, I just don't like the color. I like how black it is, it's just a little too shiny. So what I'm using a black eyeshadow and just going over the eyeliner so it can look matte. And now I am just outlining my waterline with a pencil from Visu. I love it, it's so good and creamy. So here basically everything that I did to the top I'm going to do to the bottom. I'm just going to blend the colors together starting from the lightest to the darkest, and I also like to use black just to smudge out my black eyeliner. Now my eyelashes. So I just put glue, let it get tacky, and then I start from the middle, and then I work my way to the corners. I am now dusting off all the powder that I had for my baking, and now I am bronzing my face. Just adding a little bit of blush and making sure that everything's blended with my damp beauty blender. Just go over it. And now for my lips, I scrub my lips, so now I am taking off the scrub with the paper towel. And my lips are always chapped, especially in the winter. So now I am outlining my lips with a NYX pencil. And then after that, I am using a Kat Von D lipstick. It was a holiday collection. It came with a lot of mini ones. And we are all done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my look. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And until next time, guys.